Hello everyone. So let us look at the solution to the definition of reading a date from the user. Instead of reading, you can even use the system date or fix a date. That is up to you. So from the date, we are going to identify whether the month is an even month or an odd month. Now, the months January, March, May, and so on, September, November, these are odd months because their numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And the months like February, April, December, they are even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. So they are called as even months. Now, if you recall from the previous sessions, you would have realized that the get month method, when it is applied, will return a number that is going to be a 1 less than the actual number. So if it is February, which is month 2, will be returned as 1. So it is taken as an odd number in the system. For us as humans, it is an even number. That also means that January, which is actually month 1, is returned as 0. So an odd number or an odd month is returned as an even number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cash in on this, that if the number returned is an even number, that is, when the number is divided by 2, modulo divided by 2, if the remainder is 0. That means the number returned is an even number, for example, 0, 2, 4, which actually means that they are odd months. 0 being January is an odd month. So that is what I'm going to use here. Otherwise, it is an even month. Now, this is a bit difficult to understand. I'll show you an alternative method to doing this. So let us first see. Okay, so when you enter 26th January, so you should be able to see that it is an odd month. It is aptly giving the odd month. And if you enter December, you should be getting it is an even month because December is 12, even though this is returned as 11. 11 modulo 2 is not equal to 0 because it gives you the value 1. So it goes to the else part and it says it is, this is a bit tricky to understand. So what you can actually do is add 1 to the value of the month that you have received. Now this becomes easy. So when you are entering January, you're getting 1. Because of the C++, it becomes 1. So I will go ahead and print it like this. So if it is 1, it is an odd month. And if it is the return value is not 1, it is an even month. So just to again show you, you should be able to see now it completely, it is easier to understand. So when you're putting in January, the value of C is 0, which is even. So I'm adding 1 to it to bring it back to the human readable format. That is 1. And when 1 is modulo divided by 2, you obviously get 1, which means it is an odd month. Now, if I enter March, March is third month for us. For the computer, it is month number 2. Plus plus gives you month number 3. 3 when modulo divided by 2, you get the remainder 1, which means it is an odd month. Right, so if you add in this step, you have to change the condition here, and that is the solution to this definition. I'll catch you in the next video with a new definition.